Hi guys, I'm here today with Jake doing a Khloe Kardashian Inspo look. That one. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I've never done this before, so
I know, we're just going to
go
try and do it. I'm going to start by just clipping the hair up into sections from the back. So I'm just going to start tomming it with a barrel curl. We're going to do quite a glam curl today.
Yeah.
You just let that go and let it cool.
Is that what you have to do?
Like, do you know when you've got a heated roller in?
Yeah.
And then they cool down? That's what I started doing.
Right, okay.
And it sets up the curls a bit better so it won't drop out, it'll last you longer.
Like Hollywood curl, like.
Yeah, that's if you do it all in the same direction.
Yeah.
So normally when I wave your hair, I do them all different so they bounce off each other so it looks dead messy.
Yeah.
But with this, I'm doing them all the same way, that way, that way.
Coming
off you.
I wish I had a pen and paper now, I'd be like that. Yep.
Side bits, I'm just going back across the face. So now I'm just going to literally brush through the extent. And if you can see, it's given more of a glam. You can pull it apart.
So that's the curl. Everyone can see. Unreal.
Very glam.
So now we're doing like the up bit. This is one of our PB Hair Universe super curly whips. I wear these like every single shoot, and I wear dirty blonde, which is like a lush like ashy blonde rather than yellow. Literally, if you've got thin hair, like they're the best whips ever to wear.
I am going to start by cutting this into a 3.
There's still tons of hair left.
I know. I think you could actually get away with just that.
I know.